I'm Natalie Matias. I'm from Toronto, Canada. I'm the lucky person who holds meditation for the Live with Purpose holiday. The most memorable part of this holiday is creating new connections from people around the world. With the Getaway Co, you can see their level of experience. Each of you will meet Amanda, and Amanda is always just so considerate of the vendors she chooses, the restaurants, the excursions, and how to create a really balanced holiday experience. A message to everyone and anyone looking for a holiday experience, I would say, especially a vegan experience with the Getaway Co. I don't think there's anybody who does it like Amanda or the Getaway Co. It's so well thought out, and also just it creates an experience that you'll never forget.